guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Excuse the wind. Today we're doing something a little bit different than our car reviews we've done for the last couple months. Guess what time of year it is, baby? It's ice fishing time. Got a little bit of time till the sun sets, so we're gonna be out here. We're not setting up the ice house, we're not doing anything like that. All we are doing is we got our Markham, we got a bucket. We're gonna go old school. We're gonna just drop our line in and see if we can get anything. Yeah, baby. Got one. Baby, look what we have here. Look at this, huh? Look at this, baby. Yeah. Look at that guy, huh? Yeah, baby. So this is really our first solid fish of the year. It's our first solid fish, you know, this is our good start to the year. So we're gonna get this guy back in the water. First walleye in a while. There it is, baby. There he goes. Yeah. All right, guys, I'll kind of show you what I'm doing here. It's starting to get a little dark, and again, I don't have my ice house. I'm just out here, but so I'm using a Markham VX1. So this top here is the water line, and then the red down here is the bottom. As I drop my line down, you see there's fish right there. That green's picking up green lines. That means there's fish in there. So let's get our line back in. We only got a little bit more time. Let's go. Crappie, huh? Little guy. Another little guy. All right, guys, so it's a little bit of a shorter video today. My GoPro died. I had a couple batteries and my GoPro still died. It was so cold out in the lake. But we ended up with our one really nice walleye. Well, not really nice, but you know, probably a 10, 11-inch walleye. And then we got 5 crappies. So we got a nice little load today ice fishing. If you dig today's video, please hit that thumbs up button for me. It'll share it on the YouTube algorithm so more people can join our lovely Mikey Polis family here on YouTube. Hit that red subscribe button and not miss my next adventure. And with that, we'll see you on the next episode, guys. Bye!